Again, to create the surface, we change the module to quick surface reconstruction. Under that, we have the commands. Basically, there are multiple commands, even basic surface recognition, power fit, so multi-surface, multi-section surface, and so on. So even 3D curve also we can use. Okay, so now I am using this basic surface recognition. Select the scan. Under that, again we have the options. So planar surface I would like to create, then apply. So the advantage of this command is we can resize the surface, so within the command itself. So like extending the surface, or can also rotate the surface. Then OK. So this is what we have created base surface. Here I would like to rename to base surface. And by default it will also create one reference line which is normal to the surface. Then I would like to activate the complete scan. Select the scan, activate all. OK. So this is one of the surface. The same way I would like to create the surfaces, vertical surfaces.